down in the leaf litter, a new one is just beginning. This strawberry dart frog is carrying her tadpole on her back. It's about the size of a grain of rice. The jungle underworld is far too dangerous for her baby. She needs to find a safe place for it to grow. Way up there, in the branches of this 40-meter jungle skyscraper. For a frog the size of a grape, this is her Mount Everest. Sticky feet give her grip, but one slip could be fatal. Finally, up in the canopy where the sun shines. A bromeliad plant makes the perfect penthouse pool for her tadpole to grow in. Showers keep the tadpole pool topped up. But there can be too much of a good thing. Water soaked up by the plants and bark adds enormous weight to ancient trees. Torrential rains wash away thin soil. Until one day, when a tree this size falls, it leaves a big hole in jungle life. The strawberry dart frog has survived, but her tadpole is exposed, and a fire-bellied ground snake can sense it. There's nothing the mother can do but start again.